Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A16 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which normally comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten it out on the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you got one of those, either one, I can then pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. As you can see, we're right over here. Push the pin in, the tray pops out ever so slightly, and now for you to just yank it out. Now on here you have space for two different SIM cards, each dedicated slot, and also space for SD card. So I'm gonna use one of each. And there we go. Make sure that the cards are laying flat or flush on the tray, and then carefully insert it back in. There is nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of like pop out, kind of like this SD card almost did. There we go. Now the cards should automatically start working, and they are. As you can see, there's the pin for the SIM card, so I'll quickly confirm that. So SD card obviously is working, and let's find the, or not SD card, the SIM card, and let's find the SD card, which, oh, there we go, ready. It just disappeared, but you could see that it was right there, that it's ready to go. So anyway, that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.